Hi everyone, I am doing this mani using this Sassy Pants Blood Rain polish that I just got. It is such a beautiful magnetic polish. It is a multi-chrome polish and it is just simply gorgeous. So I wanted to share this with you today. I am using a base color from LA Colors. This doesn't have a name, but I tried to pick a polish that was similar into the color of the Sassy Pants polish. I did that because Blood Rain is a sheer formula that I'm used to with a magnetic polish, but it is beautiful. I am going to do some stamping, and I will be using this Maniology stamping polish, which is Delirium. So let's get into it. Now the stamping, I am going to use a clear top coat this time. It's going to be Kiss Gel. Usually I use another polish, but I wanted to try this Kiss Gel polish that I found at the Dollar Tree. I will be using this Finger Angel Haha plate that I just did a recent haul on, and I'll also link that in this video. And I am using this old but great stamping plate from Born Pretty. I love this plate. I love the images on this plate. Now I'm using this is a top from another magnetic polish, but I wanted to get this design on this particular mani, so that's why I've got that top. Now I'm starting off with the LA Colors as a base coat. I did do 2 coats of this. And this is one of the only colors that I had in my stash that looks similar to the Blood Rain, I thought. Here's my second coat. I'm just doing fairly thin coats because I still wanted to build up the magnetic polish on top of that. It's a beautiful color. Now I'm adding the Blood Rain on top. And see how much it looks so much like the other color, but it just gives it more pizzazz once I put that Blood Rain on top. Now I'm adding the magnet. I tried to get as close as I could, and when I did, I nicked it. So I had to go back over it again with the Blood Rain to kind of smooth it out a bit. And let's try it again. And I held it for about 30 seconds. I sped this part up. I didn't want y'all to sit here and wait for 30 seconds for me to do it, but I waited as long as I could so I can get those waves in that and let those particles come to the surface. Isn't that pretty, y'all? And here I'm going to go ahead and put the top of coated on top with the Blood Rain on the pinky finger. And let's do, and I switched, as you can see, I switched the top different directions every other nail. So look at that, y'all. Look at the gold or the bronze, copper, and the purple and the pink. Oh, it is so pretty. You see that, y'all? Oh, gorgeous. I did not want to take this manicure off. It was so pretty. I love this polish. And I feel that the waves just gives it so much depth, and you can see all those colors just popping through. So now I'm going to do the stamping. I want y'all to enjoy the rest of this video. Let me know what you think. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and do that, and also click your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye.